how to use DALL-E 3 as a beginner and also make your pictures look better. DALL-E 3 works with the ChatGPT interface, so it's very beginner friendly when it comes to that. But one issue is that it really sucks at realism as for now. I mean, just look at that. Okay, the prompt is create a realistic photo of a young woman with red hair, black goth clothes and a cute smile on a forest background.
Not creepy at all.
There are a few tweaks you can make to get more realistic pictures and overall better output, which we will get to in just a moment. But first, let's look at the things that DALL-E 3 is really good at. And as I said, it working with ChatGPT and you using the interface to tell DALL-E 3 what you want makes it very beginner friendly. Aside from that, it also creates text relatively good. Especially when compared with other image generators, as you can see here. Create a picture of a man holding a sign with the words "like this video." And apparently DALL-E 3 can create realistic looking humans, maybe because the prompt is not that complex. We'll get to that in just a moment, but it can definitely generate text, which is great. What's also very cool is that DALL-E 3 follows your prompt very closely. So if I tell it to make a picture of a girl with blue hair playing a dice game with a green lion on an alleyway surrounded by pink balloons, I get exactly that. Which is pretty cool, to be honest. Other image generators definitely have problems with that and don't follow the prompt as closely as DALL-E 3 does. So a huge plus for DALL-E 3 at this point. Going back to our realistic photo of a girl with red hair in the beginning, one issue is that you talk with ChatGPT and then ChatGPT writes a prompt for you, which makes it very beginner friendly, but you don't really can adjust the prompt. Or can you? To make things a little better and more like what you want, you can use the custom instructions for adjustment. For that, you go here and click on your name. It then opens different menus and you click on custom instructions. And here in the custom instructions I already wrote my instructions, so you can read through them if you want. I'll just scroll through them very slowly. It's more refinement for the image generation process. And yeah, I basically tell ChatGPT how I wanted to create realistic images of people. So I just toggle on my custom instructions and then the next chat I use has them activated. I will leave these instructions in the description so that you can just copy and paste them. But let's look how our realistic photo looks now. Let's paste in the same prompt and then we wait. Alright, that's enough. Not perfect by any means, of course, because as I already said, DALL-E 3 really sucks with realism, especially when it comes to people. But I still would say it definitely looks quite a bit better than the first one. Or what do you think? And you can write custom instructions for everything that you want to refine it further, which definitely is very useful. One thing I really want to mention here is that you can use DALL-E 3 with Bing Image Generator entirely free. Of course it lacks a great interface of ChatGPT, but hey, it's free. And aside from that, at the moment, as of right now in December 2023, you cannot subscribe to ChatGPT Plus anyway. So you might as well go ahead and use Bing Image Generator for now. Of course you can use a different image generator. If you're not sure which one would be the best one for you, go ahead and watch a video right over there where I compare DALL-E 3 with Midjourney, Leonardo and Firefly.